now today let's start with chapter number 90, India wins freedom. So the Indian National Congress achieved limited success during its early years. और जो early leaders थे आपके कांग्रेस के उनको हम क्या कहते थे, moderates बोलते थे. They believed in asking the English government for reforms. वो ये believe करते थे कि हमें जो आपके जितने भी English governments हैं उसमें हमें क्या लेके आना, reforms लेके आना. The another group within the Congress was radicals. और वो चाहते थे इंग्लिश को अपोज करना. To protest against English injustice, they were in favor of strikes and boycott. और जो लाला लाजपत राय थे, बिपिन चंद्र पाल बाल गंगाधर तिलक, जिन्हें हम लाल बाल पाल कहते हैं, the three popular leaders were radicals, and it wrote that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. स्वराज मेरा बर्थ आएगा, मैं इसे लेके रहूंगा. So then we have partition of Bengal. We can say that in 1905, English decided to partition of Bengal, and one part have largely Hindus, while other parts have Muslims in majority. Partition was an attempt to prevent Hindu and Muslims from uniting against the English, and people what they did, they strongly opposed it, and the Congress launched स्वदेशी एंड बाइकॉट मूवमेंट. एंड उसका जो रिजल्ट था वो था कि जो इंग्लिश फोर्स थी वो रीयूनाइट हो गई कब 1911. स्वदेशी एंड बाइकॉट. स्वदेशी मीन्स of one owns country. It was meant to popularize the use of Indian goods. And here, people were asked to boycott all foreign goods and use only goods made in India. And the movements was joined by a large number of women and students. Huge bonfires were lit in which foreign goods were burned. The government tried to suppress the movement. And what did government try? They tried to suppress the movement. And after that revolutionary, some young people in Bengal felt that moderates or the radicals, they become extremist कहते हैं, they had not achieved enough. They believed that English could drive out India only through force. Right? अरविंदो घोष, वीर सावरकर, अजीत सिंह, ये कुछ अर्ली आपके रिवॉल्यूशनरी स्टेजों में देखने को मिलते. Now Gandhi leads the nation. So in 1915, what happened? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi returned to India from South Africa. With this began the last phase जो था आपका struggle for independence. So in South Africa, Gandhi had fought against the racist policy of the white ruler. In this method, fighting was known as Satyagraha. So we can say it is based on truth and non-violence. After returning India, Gandhi traveled all over country. और वो इस चीज को देकर शौक थे कि लोग बहुत ज्यादा पॉवर्टी में है, राइट, गरीबी में है. सो ही डिसाइडेड टू फाइट अगेंस्ट इंग्लिश एंड ऑल्सो against some of the social and religious practices, especially जो आपकी caste system है. And he asked people not to obey to unjust law. Next, we have Jallianwala Bagh. On 13th April 1990, public meeting was held. एक public meeting होती है जलियांवाला बाग in Amritsar. General Dyer came to the park and ordered his soldiers to fire at the crowd. Hundreds of men and women, children were killed and thousands were injured. और जो पूरी country थी, the whole country was shocked by this incident. All Indian leaders strongly they protested against this cruel act and non-cooperation movement जो आपकी 1920 में होती है. And Gandhi launched this movement and he asked people to disobey the law peacefully. But in चौरा चौरी जो आपका उत्तर प्रदेश में वहाँ पे एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था, पुलिस स्टेशन को बॉनफायर पर लग गया था and 22 policemen died. Gandhiji was against the violence and he withdrew the movement immediately. ड्यूरिंग द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट, जब नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट का टाइम था तो जो आपके राजेंद्र प्रसाद हैं और सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, सरोजनी नायडू, सी गोपालाचारी, मौलाना आजाद, चित्तरंजन दास और मोतीलाल नेहरू और जवाहरलाल नेहरू, ये कुछ लोग थे जिन्होंने पार्टी. नाउ सिमन कमीशन, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन इन द कंट्री वाज गेटिंग आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल और जो गवर्नमेंट थी डिसाइडेड टू मेक सम चेंजेस एंड व्हाट दे डिड, दे अपॉइंटेड सिमन कमीशन. So what happened? The commission came to India in 1920 and was greeted with the slogan "Simone, go back." आप वापस जाओ. A new group of revolutionists से भगत सिंह हो गए, राजगुरु, सुखदेव, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, बीके दत्त, they become the active. ये लोग उस टाइम पे क्या थे, बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव. Then we have civil disobedience. In December 1920, Congress demanded Purna Swaraj, complete independence, and this movement began in early 1930. 1930 में start होती है movement. एंड किसकी लीडरशिप में, आपकी गांधी जी की. इट स्टार्टेड विद डांडी मार्च, राइट, और ये साबरमती आश्रम से शुरू होती है टू डांडी जो अलोंग द सी कोस्ट, और गांधी जी वहां पे जाकर सॉल्ट लो को तोड़ देते हैं. ठीक है. व्हेन वी हैड क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट अगस्त 1942, ही आस्क्ड द पीपल डू और डाई, करो या मरो, अटेम्प्ट्स टू थ्रो द इंग्लिश आउट ऑफ द कंट्री. सो इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस वाज द लीडर ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी. इसको हम आजाद हिंद फौज कहते हैं। ही फॉट अगेंस्ट इंग्लिश एंड गिव स्लोगन जय हिंद, और ये स्लोगन देते हैं क्या, जय हिंद। Now India got independence after the Second World War ended in 1945. India agreed, जो आपके इंग्लिश गवर्नमेंट थी उसने एग्री करा कि हम इंडिया को छोड़ देंगे। उसने क्या करा, इट डिसाइडेड टू डिवाइड कंट्री इनटू टू, इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान। ऑन 15 अगस्त इंडिया बिकम and free country. On this historical occasion, Jawaharlal Nehru said, at the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake for life and freedom. Right? So, independent India, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first president, and with this began a new phase in the history of India. And we have completed more than 6 decades of freedom. In these years, India has fought and won wars to guard their freedom. Right? So, this is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. Thank you.